up, Jooba People? Welcome to this lesson. This lesson was suggested, I think, by Steve McCarthy from the community. I can't remember now. But thanks so much for suggesting this song. It's a good one. You said you wanted some Joobification of this song. So I'm going to be doing it in a way I would play it. So I'm going to teach you the strumming way. And I'm basing this off of the I don't know how to say this guy's name, Lamontagne. That guy's version, the version that he did with Damien, which is a really nice version. The link will be below this video, and you can download this PDF. These are the main chords that they use, and then I'm going to go through that picking pattern and that strumming pattern, and also all the sections. So there's just 3 different sections: the intro and the verses and the chorus. All have their unique progressions, and then there's also a chord chart that you can get. Okay, so let's jump right into the song. So first of all, the important thing to know are the chord shapes. So we're going to do this classic G folk chord shape, which is really nice because it often works with the C over G shape just below it. So if you put those 2 chords next to each other, you can go, which is a very common Damien Ray thing to do. Very nice folk kind of movement. So you have your G chord and then you have your C/G chord used as a chord full. Okay, and then for the intro they have the F chord next. So you could use this F, but he uses the one with the bass, and then he actually bars with these 2 fingers. So it's the same as the bar chord F, but this just gives you some options like you can't do with a bar chord because you know what I mean. Okay, so that's why he uses that shape with the thumb on the bass, and then C over G, which is like the folk way of playing just a regular C. Very nice folky chords. Okay, and then for the A minor we have regular A minor, and then later in the song a regular D. Okay, strumming in the song goes like so. We've got down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The cool thing is you have beat 1 and then you have an emphasis on beat 2. So boom, ga, boom, boom, ga, boom, ga. That's kind of the way how you want to think about it. So you want to think of a drummer kind of going boom, ga, boom, ga, boom, ga. You can also think of a snare hit happening over there. Boom, ga, ga, boom, ga, ga. That's kind of the vibe of how you want to think about it. And then later when you get picking, you want to kind of mimic that feel, I think. Sounds good. So let's just go through this song before we do the Joobification kind of picking stuff. Let's just go through the different sections here. So for the intro, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that G is a little early, and the way you notate that is like this. You just put a little arrow there to tell you that is a little bit early, that G. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from there on, we just do one chord per full strum pattern per chord. So you go. Is it life? Oh, sorry, then it's F. Verse again. F. I just went to this D instead of this D. Sounds really nice, and I really like it in this context. Okay, and then for the chorus, simple. For the chorus, I'm just gonna move over here to the chords and lyrics part. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, love somebody. I love you. In my brain, I see your face again. I know my frame of mind. Oh, I gotta be so kind. Yeah, but anyway, you'll be fine with this song once you can do that. Okay, so let's do a little bit of picking, all right? So to use your hand. Now, it's simple to pick a song like this, but actually not if you don't have the picking pattern really internalized. So the picking pattern that I'm going to use as a basis throughout the song is PIPM and PMPI. But let's first just start with PIPM. Now, it's not as simple as just grabbing the picking pattern and playing it. Otherwise, it will sound like this. And then it kind of has a little. It drives too much. Okay, so you can use that. I mean, let's just listen to what the chorus sounds. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. There's somebody. I mean, that's actually quite nice. So let's quickly do a version like that. So, baby, I could use this G over here. What it's like. And this D. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Love somebody. Or you could go love somebody. That could work. I mean, if you do the verses, you could go. There is a light, a certain kind of light, never shown on me. Want my whole life to be. So there I just did F, 6th fret, C shape, from 6th fret to 8th fret. Actually really nice. I actually really like that. I mean, it doesn't sound at all like the rave version, but it sounds close. So what happens if you play a bunch of, so just to tell you what this picking pattern, this one means you have root note and then one down. So big P means root note, small p means little. So what happens if you combine that with this one, PIPM? So that would be like going, that's PIPM. But PIPM with just small p's would be here. So if you go, so you only hit, when you change chords, you hit the root note. Other than that, the thumb goes down and it just stays there. So for instance, in the chorus, if we're doing the chorus chords, we go G, D, it immediately gives the whole song a slower feel. It's like boom, boom, where the other one is boom. But if you do this one, it's there. I just switched to the alternative one, which is PMPI. So if I do a PMPI with the same kind of thing, it's going to sound like this. Sorry. And you can obviously combine both of those for some really cool stuff. Okay, so a lot of what I will do with this song is, let's quickly play a verse with you. So, there is a light. Oh, I have to show you this A minor. So if you use this G and you want to go to A minor, you just do this shape, which looks like a D7, but just one string higher, and on the, this is fret 10 and 9. So you could play the C over here. There is a light, a certain kind of light, never shone on me. Wanted my whole life to be, live with you. Lived with you. Oh my word, this is really nice. So those are the two picking fields. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, put it in the community. I do not anymore respond to YouTube comments. I mean, I respond, I like it and I love it. Hurt. But I don't find it that useful to engage there because YouTube doesn't really pay you that much. So it's better to focus on like a core group of people, and that's what the Jooba community is for, the Jooba people. It's a community in classroom where I teach, I have courses on there, and I have a community that's really engaging, really a lot of fun people there. So you can join it. I think the price now is $6 a month. Yes. So cheers, have a nice day. See you guys soon. Goodbye.